Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to discover the business directory from symptoms and causes, and why it can be such a powerful tool for anyone searching for reliable services, healthcare connections, or wellness solutions. The business directory is designed to save you time and effort. Instead of jumping between countless websites or making calls without direction, this directory organizes trusted businesses and services into one easy-to-use platform. So, how do you discover it? Step 1. Visit the Symptoms and Causes platform. On the main page, you'll notice a section clearly labeled Business Directory. This is your gateway to the complete list of service providers. Step 2. Click on the Business Directory. You'll find a structured catalog with categories ranging from healthcare services, medical suppliers, wellness centers, pharmacies, and many more. Everything is organized so you can browse quickly and without confusion. Step 3. Take advantage of the filters. You can sort results by location, type of service, specialty, or ratings. For example, if you need a nearby clinic, just select your city. If you're looking for a pharmacy with extended hours, you can filter by availability. Step 4. Explore the detailed listings. Each business entry comes with full information such as address, contact numbers, website links, operating hours, and a description of what they offer. Many also include reviews from other users, so you can make confident choices. Step 5. Connect directly. Once you've found what you're looking for, you can call, email, or even visit the official website straight from the directory. This cuts out unnecessary steps and gives you reliable access right away. The business directory from Symptoms and Causes isn't just about listing names. It's about helping people find trusted services when they need them most. Whether you're searching for routine health needs, emergency care, or specialized treatment, this tool is built to guide you efficiently. To recap, visit the Symptoms and Causes platform, click on the business directory, browse categories, use filters to refine your search, explore detailed listings, and connect directly to the provider you need. That's how simple it is to discover the business directory from Symptoms and Causes. Your step-by-step guide to finding the right services at the right time.